The concept of analysis of variance, or ANOVA. Here is the general idea of ANOVA. You use ANOVA if you want to see if there are differences in the means of 3 or more populations. The first step is to collect data, that is, take a sample from each population. Next, we compute the sample means of each group. Each sample mean estimates the population mean of that group. Next, we compare the sample means. If the sample means are too far away from each other, as measured by how far they are from the data's overall mean, called the grand mean, then we conclude that the population means are probably different. On the other hand, if the sample means are fairly close together, we conclude that it is possible that the population means are equal. Or, put another way, we conclude that there is no evidence the population means are different. Of course, there are specifics that we need to address in measuring this distance. The sample size and the variance of the samples must be considered. Sometimes, sample means can be equally far from each other in the grand mean, but a larger variance in the groups makes it harder to determine if differences really exist in the populations. So, in short, we look at the variance between the sample means as compared to the variance within the groups. Larger variance between the sample means of the groups, comparatively speaking, give more evidence of a difference in population means.
Created using Powtoon.